This is part 2 of the Google Spreadsheet assignment. Continuing where we left off, we have our spreadsheet with the first and last names of everyone, and we're going to add the MT1 scores and the MT2 scores and scale them and figure out each person's highest score. So, first, add the MT1 column by copying the mt1.txt file from Laulima into your Google spreadsheet. Remember to use the edit, copy, and paste from your browser. The MT1 scores ranged from about 15 to 40. We're going to scale these scores to a 90, 80, 70 grading curve where a score of 25 maps to 90 and a score of 20 maps to 80. The formula to do this is on the Laulima assignment page. Copy it and paste it into cell I2 and change all of the score references to cell H2. Pressing the Enter key, you see the scaled value. Then copy it down and see that it works for all the scores. Now you will notice that some scores have many digits right of the decimal point. Let's round these. To do so, enclose the formula in cell I2 with the round function. Copy this all the way down and see all numbers are now just whole numbers. For the MT2 scores, copy the mt2.txt file from Laulima into your Google spreadsheet. Remember to use the Edit, Copy, and Paste menus on your browser. These scores were from 0 to 25, and we're going to scale these by just multiplying by 4, giving us scores from 0 to 100. So, in cell K2, type equals J2 times 4 and press Enter. Copy this formula down and see that it works for all the scores. Finally, we make a column which shows the best scaled score for each person. In cell L2, type equal max, parentheses, K2, comma, I2, end parentheses, and press Enter. Then copy the formula down. We see that column L shows the best score of each of the scaled scores. Before we are done, we need to add some statistics at the bottom for the test scores. In cell G43, let's label these count, maximum, minimum, average, and standard deviation. For the count in cell H43, enter equal count, left parentheses, H2 colon H41 end parentheses, which covers the range of scores in column H. For the maximum, enter equal max, left parentheses, H2 colon H41 end parentheses, and press enter. For the minimum, type =min, left parentheses, H2 colon H41 end parentheses, and press enter. For the average and standard deviation, let's also use the round function to round the numbers to 2 decimal places. Enter round, left parentheses, average, left parentheses, H2 colon H41 end parentheses, comma 2 end parentheses, and press enter. For the standard deviation, type round, round, left parentheses, STDEV, which is the function for standard deviation, left parentheses, H2 colon H41, end parentheses, comma 2, end parentheses, and press enter. Then copy the 5 formula cells across all scores. This concludes the second part of the Google Spreadsheet assignment.